it's Joe here with Scott Country International. I'm out with Jeff this morning.
Morning.
And the doggy. We're going to go have a look for some reds. I've got with me the Pulsar Telos XP50 LRF. First real time out using it to have a little look through, so get some nice footage of that. See what we can find and get back to you a bit later. Cheers. So Jeff's also got with him today the Pulsar DUO DXP50. Been very impressed with this scope so far. Multi-spectral rifle scope, day and thermal mode. So as you can see for this roe deer here, the DUO DXP50 really is an amazingly clear colour daytime rifle scope, replacing glass. The thermal imaging that you can see in the PIP is a 640 by 480 sub 25 millikelvin net D thermal sensor. You've got a zoom capability of 2 times up to 16 times mag, and it really is an absolutely stunning rifle scope. Yeah, as you can see from the imagery, just super duper clear, an amazing bit of kit. Brought with us today one trusty pointer mocker. What can you smell, mocker? The dog could definitely sense something this morning straight away off the bat, and as we turned around the corner here, popped up in front of us a nice young fox. We weren't there to shoot foxes on this specific day, so we let him on go. And as you'll see, as he ran off, literally as we rounded the corner, a roe doe stood on the top of a mound. Jeff set up on rifle sticks. She was ranged at 166 metres. We just waited for her to come down the bank a little bit so that she had a safe backstop. As you'll see, Jeff then proceeded to do what we do. Out for 10 minutes or so. Got a roe doe on the ground there, so that's a good start to the morning. And just heading on a little bit further down here, we watched and observed a roebuck still in velvet, youngish roebuck still in velvet, about 60 odd metres, just doing its thing. Right next to it there, a rabbit on the right hand side through the Pulsar Telos. Nice to see. So of course, typically, and as always, we decide to come to the one side of the farm in favour of the wind, and just check my trail camera on my phone, and I've got 3 notifications and about 10 reds that have walked past on the other side of the farm. Just the way the cookie crumbles every time, so we're going to go see if we can catch up with them in some of the scrubbier fields, and yeah, see how we go. Okay, so we're down here now by the field where we saw those deer on the camera this morning, and if you look down here, you'll be able to see the track marks. It's a pretty obvious track, isn't it? So we just thought we'd have a little stop and a chat here, just while we got 2 seconds. Not really seeing any deer over this side, they've already passed through, which is a bit frustrating, but this is how it happens. So earlier on we saw on the trail camera, so this is the HikMicro M15 trail camera. I've got 3 of these, and I've got the C-Cam 5 as well. Both very good bits of kit for tracking deer, following deer and seeing what the movements are. So plonked there in between all of this activity. I've had some amazing videos come through on this, which I'm going to show you in a second, and yeah, hope you enjoy. was a row sat on the top of the bank. About 130, 120 metres of it. I couldn't see its head clearly through the binos to ID it as a doe or a buck, so I thought I'd get a little bit closer. And of course, walking through the middle in an open field, it's never going to end well, so bumped that one in. There's 2 or 3 others with it, but I'm out of time today. I've got one in the car already, so that'll do. So anyway, pretty much the end of the trip. Yeah, good little fun morning out. See what it all comes out like. Thanks for watching. It's been Joe with Scott Country International. Like, subscribe, and yeah, see you again another time. Cheers.
So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when we release all our latest videos. And all the products you've seen in this video are available on our website at scottcountry.co.uk. Head over there now. All yours today. Cheers.